Ghana for you, Ghana for you. Would you anypa?
Your girl is on TikTok, y'all. Okay, that's some kid stuff, but yeah. To say you're not inspired to try the recipe.
Special forces. International food. Dancing small.
As high as 17,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, wow.
On just one person. Yeah, so you won't get your money back because YouTube is going to have 5,000 cedis for even just a video back. So you spend money on your content, buy a recipe, do that. Do you get your money back?
Each video, well, some of the videos, most of the videos, I get my money back because when you buy food, at the end of the day, the food that I'm cooking, my family is eating.
Yeah.
So I feel like I'm not losing anything.
Yes, you're always welcome. Sweet tea. Our sweet tea.
I just want to say a big thank you to my sweet team members. A happy new year. Thank you for a great year. You all have my back recently. My Facebook have been, they call it shadow ban,
yeah.
and I didn't even realize that was going on until sweet team members started reaching out and saying, Sweet Ajele, Christmas is coming, won't you post? Sweet Ajele, why are you not posting? And I'm like, I'm posting, you guys are not seeing it. So once I shared that, all of you that brought your tips, I didn't know anything about shadow bans. Those of you that said something about it, I'm still climbing a steep mountain, but we're doing it. I'm still there. So if you watch Zion and you feel like you're not seeing me, I'm there. Okay?
She's still on Facebook.
I'm on Facebook, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Instagram. Your girl is on TikTok, y'all. Okay, that's some kid stuff, but yeah. So I'm everywhere, and now I've been posting reels. So if you guys are seeing the reels, and some of them are getting upset. Why are you posting short videos? Why are the regular videos? They're there. Go to my main page. You will see everything that you missed. I love you all so much. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. And we're looking forward to better days ahead.
Social media handles.
Okay, so Facebook is Sweet Ajele. YouTube, Sweet Ajele. Instagram, Sweet Ajele. TikTok, Sweet Ajele. I don't remember my password. I'm there as Sweet Ajele, but I don't.
So everywhere is Sweet Ajele.
Everywhere is Sweet Ajele.
Thank you very much. She is Sweet Ajele everywhere. One of the biggest in the YouTube world here. Okay, from Ghana, not here in Ghana. She's a Ghanaian, but she's not here in Ghana. Would you say that where you are also has helped you with your subscription and the views and everything?
My views are mainly coming from Ghana, so where I am have not made any difference.
On that note, we don't miss you as a leading blogger. First to hit 1 million, first to hit 2 million. Only buy me. Yeah, thank you for watching. God bless you in 2022. Bye bye.
I said you were going to do a market. Just let me know.
So this is the real market. This is not a roadside market.
This is a market. So I want to go to Abu.
Okay, see this coconut, what is this, van truck, and these men are fast asleep on top of it. Ghana for you, Ghana for you. Would you anypa? Any jenkwa?
What?
He just started smiling. Wait there. I think you will go. Yeah, you are gone. You're cockra. I'm gone, no me cockra. Hey, I love your style.
Yes, so we're gonna go this way.
Any cry? Why?
But I don't think there's something that can be done about it
Huge sun.
medically.
So on which platform would you want us to
The problem. Air condition.
Yeah.
He's back?
Because when you take the picture sometimes,
I mean,
I think I want some.
You see how this girlfriend, but the
Material is different.
Feels good. It has a name, I've forgotten.
yeah.
But this is GTP.
Oh, you wash it when it's
No, this is proper
so it
Ghanaian
doesn't
fabric,
run.
not those high targets.
Hey, thanks for having me, man. Thanks for doing this.
So, I mean, like I said, any supporting stand how much does it look?
Oh, on your mail TV?
Yeah, we've got quite a,
With a friend, just call me.
we've got quite a number of ways.
That's what we
Nice, nice.
Told me to start putting my recipes on YouTube instead of always typing everything for everybody. I'll just send a link. So that's how it all started.
Do you remember the first video you did?
I actually didn't film, well, I filmed, but I wasn't in the first video. It was my daughter. She made plantain chips and we posted it, and then that was how we got started. I'm shy, so I used her.
Oh, cool. So is she now part of the core team when it comes to producing these videos that we see?
She helps a lot. Sometimes I'll call her to look at the thumbnail. Which one should I use? This or that? And yeah, that's about it. And then she introduced me to TikTok because that's where she is. That's her house.
So you do TikTok?
I started, she created it for me a year ago, but I just wasn't having it. I couldn't just put my videos under a minute, and so I said, forget it. But then about a month ago, she told me, oh, mommy, now you can do 3 minutes. And I said, I can work with that. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I can't say and are inspired to try the recipe because we are not cooking. All right, so guys,
Bye, y'all.
I enjoy the conversation.
Oh, that's good. I'm glad. I was about to say and are inspired
To
try the recipe. Oh, sorry.
I'm going to get a picture.
That was great.
Sure.
That was quick.
You've been doing recipes.
International Food Factory.
So tell us what you're eating.
So we are at Mawako, and there's one fly that is trying to disturb our what I'm having. I hope
Sweet eating things.
we have the same thing. Let them see Lina's own food.
Selena, say hi to the food.
Hi, Selena.
Hi, sweet eating things. Yeah.
Yes, we are here doing this. Hey, watching the hello. I'll try this fried rice recipe for you all. This one looks like they just did the rice. And right before serving, they put the vegetables in. Thank you. Let me see. This is the green pepper. It's good. Let me see. They didn't give us that. Maybe it's for the wings. Hey, you don't like pepper? You don't like pepper? The fly entered the restaurant. Yeah. Yeah. Let's taste the chicken.
What do we watch? Another room
Crispy.
It's actually just more I can show you. I swear to get you in your face. It's
Not bad.
Yes, sir.
See?
Catch up later, Mr. O.
Get that feeling with DSTV Premium. Go to box office and let me.
You want to taste the fried one? Got grilled chicken. So she want me to taste it. Maybe next time. Oh, it's not salty at all. It's perfect. It's also very good. I'll gain the weight now. When I come home, I'll exercise, okay? So when we're done, they can pack whatever we're not able to eat. Oh, their food is good. My favorite was Frankie's. They had this grilled chicken with ginger sauce. I don't know if they're still doing it. Because I started going to Apple.
Oh, I thought you know that. You know, I don't go anywhere.
I cook so much when I come to Ghana, I don't want to do anything.
It's when there's magic. Sprinkles of fairy dust as you settle for a big abracadabra. This is
The grilled chicken have nice pepper on it.
That's okay, it's not as hot.
But so you just say grilled chicken wings instead of.
So they have it about the spicy grilled chicken.
Oh, okay.
I'd have just got, initially I ordered 3 of this and I saw that, like, okay, let me get the website.
And try it. So now, take note.
But pepper is tastier.
It's tasty, eh?
Pepper is like, always has a unique taste. That you can't go anywhere. There's the ginger and garlic tea. Tea, there's a lot of ginger in there.
Over ginger makes fried rice taste.
Chicken. It's really tasty.
I've never had it.
Oh, it's really tasty.
Yeah, done. No. Look at our table. My Eloy. We've dealt with the food. We are going home. Look, today was a productive day, right? Very productive day. Let me show you my people. They're over here. They're more wife material.
Wife material that
It's okay for wife material to eat outside once in a while. I'm dancing small. I'm vlogging, you know.
like Americans, you people, you don't suffer like the people in the UK.
Are you sure?
Oh,
Look at the color. Wow. A reminder of childhood. Oh, his water is finished already.
that's an old man.
Let me see.